Did you know that you can save time creating your model views efficiently and standardize your project? Let's take a look. I've created a model view, and that is done with the definition method at grid line. You can see the representation in the model structure. I can easily copy that camera symbol to each grid rather than recreating the definition method and save myself some time. I can copy the text from framing at grid 1 and rename copy 1 and copy 2, tweaking to match and reference the grid number. From there, go to the properties and change out the information that was inherited from grid 1. So I'll do the same for grid 3. I can go much further than that. So on the tools, why not use the copy and rotate tool? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the copy and rotate at a negative 90 degrees and do a little bit of resizing by grips. Additionally, you can go to the properties and resize. So it's produced a copy 1. I'm just going to rename it, change out the 1 to A, go to the properties, and from the camera properties, it's inherited the information from grid 3. So I'll change that out. Again, using the copy tool, quick, go in, rename copy 1. I can turn it on if I want, if I don't know which grid it is. So very quickly renaming and then going to the camera properties. So you can turn them on, and I can display the entire structure. I can even create a folder, keep things nice and tidy and organized. So I can name this elevation views. I can drag and drop into the folder, and there you have a nice little package, easily organized. And again, this will save you time. Let me just change my visual style. There we go. So this can save you a lot of time. Again, that's a Project Explorer, model views at grid line. Use the same workflow for the other definition methods. Thanks for watching.